Hey guys, what's going on? And today I'm going to show you around my room, kind of give you guys a quick little tour. It's something new that I'm trying to do and wanted to show off kind of what I have in my room and kind of the gaming slash collection tour or whatever that I have. So here we go. So I guess I'll start with the bedroom door. Just going down, got a couple of posters. So I got these hooks. I think they're kind of useful. Hang some stuff on there. Got a hat, sweatshirt, a couple posters down there. Then we go kind of over here, a little digital thermostat. My room is pretty hot right now, so should turn on a fan or something. This is actually interesting. Got this Pokemon Sword and Shield display at like GameStop. They were just throwing them away, so I was like, okay, why not just take it, I guess. So I just kind of displayed some Pokemon stuff down here, you know, other things, what's so for, just like collectibles, and I like collecting stuff too. Got the Nano Leaf Aurora light panels up there with a couple of Nintendo collectibles. Mario lunchbox, one of my favorites. I don't have any lights on the shelves, so I mean, what are you gonna do? Got a couple of stuff right here. Kool-Aid Man. This is actually signed by Nick Chubb from the Browns, because I'm kind of a sports fan for sure as well, along with gaming. A couple of Funko Pops, some DVDs. I'm trying to collect all the Family Guy DVDs, so bear with me, I'm missing like 2 of them. What else we got down here? This is kind of the Pokemon shelf, and these things are like one of the old Burger King toys. Thought that was pretty cool on having. The 3 starters, a couple of old Pokemon games you can see, Leaf Green and Ruby, couple of Pokemon guides. Then we go down here to the Zelda shelf. I thought it's not really that much Zelda. I kind of have the Xbox cases with green. This is just half the games I have. My brother has the other half. Some Yu-Gi-Oh stuff, also like that. And then down here, really down here, just some camera stuff, old Game Boy, GameCube stuff, JBL speaker, and yeah, okay. Alright, so now we get into the desk setup, and we have an Xbox One over there. We have kind of running with like a 2 monitor, 3 monitor stuff with this corner desk. I don't have a PC, so the best I can do is use my MacBook Pro to connect these 2 monitors. This one right here, I was playing Call of Duty Modern Warfare earlier. We got the Razer Chroma keyboard or something like that. I'll link all the stuff in the description down below. Elgato Stream Deck Mini, which is useful at times. The mouse is really crappy. It was just one of those $20 Best Buy mouse. Old monitor from a long time ago. Just kind of use it as a secondary display, but hoping to upgrade soon. And then if we go over here, swing it around, we have the Nintendo Switch Lite. Got that for Christmas. The 3DS, Amazon Alexa. So this is kind of cool. So when we're doing stuff like at night, I say, Alexa, good night, and it turns off the lights. Those lights I still have to program to have them turn off. I just kind of put those up yesterday. So, and if you say, Alexa, turn on lights, and yeah, sometimes it doesn't work, but I mean, it's whatever. Also, we can't forget about the chair. So this chair is just like the basic GTR racing gaming chair. Like, I didn't need to have like the high-end models. This is just kind of an off-brand, if you want to say knockoff model or whatever. It still is very comfortable. It's a lot better than my old chair, and it works wonders. So I had no complaint for that. And not much here, just some broken stuff on the wall. NFL fatheads, which I find those are very cool when I picked those out. Got all the MLB teams right here, some posters and wall art. The bed, which I actually just got new sheets for. Nothing exciting over there. The window. And if we go over here, so if we actually go over here, this is kind of my sports figures slash Funko figurine area. So let's start from the top. We have all my bobbleheads, if you can see in that corner, from just games and stuff I attended, trophies, blah blah blah. Kind of that Mario canvas art, which I got from like Target or something. Posters, calendar, got a Mario. Here's some Funko Pops, which I have. Most of these are like Pokemon ones. I don't really have that many, but the ones I do like are the cool ones I pick out. Like this one's like crystal, so I thought that was pretty cool. Bought it, whatever. Here on this is, which is kind of interesting because I have it on a mini fridge. So obviously there's just some waters, juice, whatever in there, and it's a little dusty for sure. But I had the Funkos on the mini fridge, so it's kind of interesting. In my last kind of section is my closet. And somebody asked, well, why is this TV in my closet? So I bought this TV a couple months ago because I was like, I need a TV in my room. I need kind of something else. I need to watch TV at night on a big screen. Like, that monitor just wasn't cutting it. So I can watch whatever, smart TV, Netflix, Hulu, Rick and Morty I was watching earlier. So, you know, gotta love that show. We have Nintendo Wii, stuff like that. We'll actually go from the top. This is just a bunch of boxes and crap back there. A bunch of iPhone stuff. Like, I have a lot of iPhone stuff. Boxes, bobbleheads, speaker. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, that's also that boom speaker thing over there. I use sometimes. It's alright. The ice blue speaker, it's whatever. Plushes, crap like that. And if we go over here, you can see got the Apple Watch, Apple AirPods, and I think that's pretty much it. Fan on this poster of Lindor, which I find pretty dope. So yeah, let me know kind of what some of your favorite things are that you see in here. That's cool. It's just my collection, and everything in this room beside the bed, like the chair, the desk, the shelf, the TV, mini fridge, figurines, all that stuff, I was either gifted to, like the figurines or something, or found, or I bought. Like all of this stuff in the past recent year, the chair, the desk, shelving, I literally all bought. Like I had some old crap before that I didn't like. So anyways guys, hope you enjoyed. See you later.